How to troubleshoot a country clipper mower. Country Clipper is a brand name for several models of zero-turn riding mowers, and a division of Shivers Manufacturing Incorporated. Shivers is based in Iowa and makes counterflow grain drying equipment used for farming. In 1984, the Country Clipper mowers were added to the product line. Country Clipper mowers feature a zero-turning radius, and most are controlled by joystick. If you encounter issues with the performance of your mower, try some quick troubleshooting tips before calling a service technician. Disengage the cutting blades and put the mower in neutral if it won't turn over when you try to start it up. Also, try replacing the fuse and the battery if these methods are unsuccessful. Top up the fuel tank or clean and replace the fuel filter if the mower turns over but won't start. Adjust the choke as an alternate troubleshooting method. Tighten loose spark plug wires or replace the plugs altogether if the mower is difficult to start. Reconnect the transmission shift arm, add oil or replace the oil filter if the engine runs but the mower won't move forward. Have the drive belt replaced if these methods don't work. Sit directly on the seat and clean any debris from the underside of the mower if the engine stalls when you have the blades engaged.